Welcome to the Sage model. This beautiful one-story home includes 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a generous living room off the entrance that can option as a 5th bedroom, a gourmet kitchen with a walk-in pantry, and an extended center island that overlooks the elegant dining room, and generous great room where the sliding door to the patio seamlessly connects the indoor and outdoor living spaces. The owner's suite of the Sage includes a private bathroom retreat featuring a large step-in shower, a dual-sink vanity, and a huge walk-in closet. This amazing new home also includes a laundry area, plenty of extra storage, and a 2-bay garage, or an optional extended 2-bay garage with even more storage. And because Lennar is the one and only home builder in Phoenix to offer everything's included homes, the Sage is Wi-Fi certified and also includes all of the green features, smart technology, and luxury designer upgrades that you have come to expect from Lennar. For more information on this amazing new home, or for directions to any of our premier neighborhoods, visit lennar.com.